Welcome everyone. So in the last video we have learned about arrays, and in this video we just build one more program to little focus on arrays, so it will be more clear to you. So a program for arrays. So now let me start to code. First of all, what the program is about. So we are going to make a little project for LED known as LED flicker. So what does so what does this do? So in this program we will have an LED that will glow on different brightnesses. We will provide the value of brightness to the IDE, and when we imply this on our board, it will glow with different brightnesses. So now let me write the code. So first of all, let me declare an LED pin. Let on pin number 10 here. Now a bit array with the name of flicker, and declare the square brackets. So it's clear that it's an array, not a bit variable. And now let me provide different values to this, and that is any value you want to set for brightness. Let I provide 180 and a little one of 30, another 255, one more 200, and very little 10, 90, 150 and 60. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 values. So the LED will glow on 8 different brightnesses. So this program is just to demonstrate you the working of array a little more, so you will not confused in arrays. So try to write the code by yourself if you can, and I think you are able to, because we have learned a lot about these. So pause the video and try for a second. And I think now you got up. So here just simply a pin mode, and we have used arrays. So for LED pin we have the output. I am writing, and on loop what we are going to do, so here we include again a loop about which I will tell you in further videos, with the initial value of 0. And what's the condition here? We have 8 values, so our index will be from 0 to 7, and with an increment of 1. And what will happen in the code then? Let me provide some indentation. And now log write, and what I have done here is I have written the flicker values on the LED pin, and they are denoting brightness. So brightness is an analog signal, so I have written here analog write, and what the microcontroller will do, it will write the flicker values that I have declared, which are 180, 30, etc. on the LED pin. But I want to say that it will define the amount of current going to the LED pin, and here we provide the indexing with I. So it's a good little project and very interesting one. You will see a simple LED with different brightnesses glowing in front of you, and let me provide an delay of 1 second. So this is our code for the LED flicker, and I think you also able to write it and understand what the code is about, and just the working of array in this code. And we have covered nearly everything about the array in this code. Just we have declared an LED of different data type this time, that is bit, and provide the different values to it. And after that we have declared the pin mode, that is LED pin on output, because we are giving output to pin mode, and that is LED pin number 10. And after that we have declared a for loop in void loop, in which it will work from I is equal to 0 to I less than 7, that is 7 times. And after this we have the AND loop, right, that the LED pin will have flicker values, that it will blow on flicker values with different brightnesses. And now there is one more thing here, we should have to write 8, because we have 7 values and we are using 8 values, and we are using 0 to 7, which is less than 8. So try to focus also on number of values. Now let me add the code to the microcontroller, and first let me compile so that we do not have any errors. Here we have saved the code, and so the code is compiled and it did not have any errors. And if you get any error, don't panic about that, just try to copy the code if you did not able to write the correct one. And if you write the correct one, then congratulations for that, because you became a good programmer now. So here it's done compiling and sketch is successfully uploaded. So here we are on the board, and now let me make the circuit and check whether our code is working or not. So for that, here I have breadboard and LEDs with the resistor. So first let me connect the LED with the resistor. Here I have connected resistor on the bigger metal piece, which is the negative terminal, and here I have connected the gray wire and red for positive. So now here is our connection for LED, and here I have the Arduino that I have connected to power pin, and the code is on Arduino. Now let me connect it to ground, and we have connected the LED to pin number 10 of digital. Here we have the LED, and if you notice it, so it disconnected from this. So now if you notice the LED, it's glowing at different brightnesses after taking a delay of 1 second, as we have defined 8 different brightnesses, and it's glowing with 8 different brightnesses after 1 second delay. So it's a very interesting project to control an LED brightness by using Arduino. You can play with this also. So I hope you will build the project, and thank you for watching.